Make another video on, I was going to test both drives I have, because I have two of these. And I installed the first one, and it's not formatted, it wasn't, oops, touching the screen there and screwing my focus up. So there's nothing installed on it. It was totally wiped. Now I'm actually now I'm like, second guessing myself, because now I think about it more critically, I probably could have checked and see if there's recovery, with recovery tools, and maybe could have restored what was on there. But I don't go that far. I figure if I get a drive, it has operating system bonus. Kind of sucks after Windows, 10 and on? Might be before, but I didn't really use anything past Windows 7 Pro. But Windows 7 Pro I know would be okay. Windows 10, if it's a good addition, I guess like Windows 7 Pro or Ultimate or something. I forget Enterprise, I forget the different editions terms were, but after Pro. But it wasn't like XP or Windows 7 that I remember. Where Windows 10 I've had to, and some of the others I've had to call in too, and I switch computers, I'll call up Windows and get the activation code so it'll activate. But anyways, I figured I'd see just in case. This one didn't, so I just went ahead and installed MX Linux. So I'm almost 2 minutes in. I'm past the time it takes to boot up. I wanted to install an SSD drive, what this X131 can do. So I just, it's about 142. I press the button. Center. Should see if I can automate that so I don't have to select anything. What are we about? 142? Something like there. Press the button, I look. 142-ish. And then I'm going to have to log in. So I will... I guess I can do it one-handed. 42... And about a minute, look at it be. I'm guessing a minute. 242. Wow, a little over a minute. It's almost exactly going to be like, if it's 52, 57, then it'd be, I guess it's already all loaded up. Yeah, so it's less than Lubuntu 18.04. That one took about a minute, 15 seconds. The live USB, and that's on the magnetic drive. So I'm almost wondering Lubuntu might load up faster, 18.04. So this it wasn't as fast. I'll try again. I'll reinstall Lubuntu 18.04 on this SSD just to see. But on the magnetic drive, it took 115. The live CDs took 120. The live USBs took 120 to load. The SSD install shaved. I guess if you take away the login, if I didn't have a login, and then that, yeah, if I didn't have the login, maybe it'd be a little faster. But yeah, so it takes about a minute, so it's seconds. But I like the performance, though. I think this MX seems to be performing faster and more reliably with things I want to do. So Lubuntu is, there's bottlenecks and it just won't do certain things very well, or when it does, it's very slow. I guess I can time these with a video to verify I'm not just speculating or at that time of day or something, But, I don't know, figured I'd document this loading on the SSD, and it did save, 10 seconds, maybe 10, 20 seconds. Neato. Okay, bye now.